All right, tech enthusiasts, buckle up because we're diving headfirst into a massive debate that could reshape the entire tech landscape. Is AI a privilege for a select few, or should it be a public good, accessible to everyone? And what happens when a telecom giant like Nokia makes a huge bet on AI leadership? Are they playing 4D chess, or are they walking into a minefield? We're going to break it all down for you. Stick around, because this is going to get interesting, and maybe a little unsettling. First up, we've got LinkedIn co-founder Reid Hoffman and Hugging Face CEO Clem Delangue leading the charge, demanding that AI be treated as a public good. They've signed an open letter, rallying the troops, so to speak. Now, what does this actually mean? Well, think open source code, shared datasets, and readily available AI tools. The idea is to democratize AI, to put the power of this technology in the hands of everyone, not just the big corporations. Sounds noble, right? But is it realistic? And what are the potential downsides? Let's dig deeper. Okay, so what exactly qualifies as an AI public good? Is it the algorithms themselves? The training data? The computing power? This is where things get murky. Imagine trying to define free speech online. It's a minefield. Who decides what's in and what's out? And how do we ensure that these public goods are actually good? What happens when someone uses them for nefarious purposes? Think deepfakes, misinformation campaigns, or even autonomous weapons. The potential for abuse is huge. This isn't just about making AI accessible. It's about making it responsibly accessible. Let's not forget the security aspect. Open source AI models are, by definition, open to everyone, including hackers. If vulnerabilities are discovered, they can be exploited on a massive scale. It's like leaving the keys to your digital kingdom under the doormat. And who's responsible when a publicly available AI model goes rogue? The original developers? The users? The government? The legal and ethical implications are mind-boggling. This isn't just a tech problem. It's a societal challenge that demands serious consideration. Then there's the question of funding. Who's going to pay for all of this? Developing and maintaining AI models is expensive. Are we talking about government grants? Philanthropic donations? Crowdfunding? And how do we ensure that the funding is sustainable and that the AI public goods remain truly public, free from corporate influence or political agendas? This is a crucial point. Without a solid funding model, the whole AI as a public good initiative could crumble before it even gets off the ground. We need concrete plans, not just lofty ideals. Now, let's switch gears and talk about Nokia. They just announced that their CEO, Pekka Lundmark, is being replaced by, wait for it, Intel's AI chief, Pat Gelsinger. Boom. That's a massive signal, folks. It screams, we're going all in on AI. Nokia, a giant in the telecommunications world, is betting big that AI is the future of their business. This isn't just a minor tweak. It's a strategic earthquake. But is it a smart move? Or are they putting all their eggs in one very volatile basket? So, what's Nokia's AI vision? Think AI-powered network optimization, predictive maintenance, and personalized customer experiences. Imagine a 5G network that can anticipate your needs, predict potential outages, and automatically adjust to optimize performance. That's the promise of AI in telecommunications. But it's also a huge technological undertaking that requires massive investment, expertise, and, frankly, a bit of luck. Can Nokia pull it off? That's the million-dollar question, or rather, the billion-dollar question. Of course, Intel's loss is Nokia's gain. But what does this mean for Intel? Is this a sign that their AI strategy is faltering? Or is it simply a case of one of their star players getting a better opportunity? The truth is probably somewhere in between, but it's definitely a wake-up call for Intel. They need to reassess their AI strategy and make sure they're not falling behind in this rapidly evolving landscape. The stakes are incredibly high, and the competition is fierce. Nokia's AI push is also about staying ahead in the 5G and 6G race. The next generation of wireless technology will be heavily reliant on AI to manage the increased complexity and demands of these networks. Think autonomous vehicles, smart cities, and the Internet of Things. AI is the key to unlocking the full potential of these technologies, but it's also a potential bottleneck. If Nokia's AI strategy fails, they could fall behind their competitors and lose out on a massive market opportunity. This is a high-stakes game with potentially huge rewards and equally huge risks. Let's address the elephant in the room, job displacement. Both the AI as a public good movement and Nokia's AI push have the potential to eliminate jobs. Open-source AI could automate tasks that are currently done by human workers. And AI-powered network management could lead to layoffs in the telecommunications industry. This isn't about fear-mongering. It's about being realistic. We need to start thinking about how to retrain and upskill workers so they can adapt to the changing job market. Ignoring this issue is not an option. We need proactive solutions, not just empty promises. And finally, let's talk about ethics. AI is not neutral. It can perpetuate existing biases, discriminate against certain groups, and even be used for malicious purposes. We need to ensure that AI is developed and deployed in a responsible and ethical manner. This means addressing issues like algorithmic bias, data privacy, and transparency. We can't just blindly embrace AI without considering the potential consequences. We need to have a serious conversation about the ethical implications of this technology. The future of AI depends on it. So, what's the verdict? Is AI a public good, or is it a corporate playground? The truth is probably somewhere in between. We need a balanced approach that promotes both innovation and accessibility. We need to encourage open-source development while also ensuring responsible use and ethical considerations. And we need to prepare for the potential disruptions that AI will bring to the job market. This is a complex issue with no easy answers. But one thing is clear. AI is here to stay, and it's going to reshape our world in profound ways. The question is, will we shape it for the better, or will we let it control us? The choice is ours. Now, I want to hear from you. Do you think AI should be a public good? Is Nokia making the right move by betting big on AI? Let me know your thoughts in the comments below. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more in-depth analysis of the latest tech trends. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.